Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey guys, and welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to upload an IGTV video on Instagram. Before I start, your videos must be at least 1 minute long. The maximum length your video can be is 15 minutes when uploading from a mobile device and 60 minutes when uploading from the web. So now I'm just going to open the application, and to upload an IGTV video, I'm going to click on my profile on the bottom right corner, the one that has my profile picture. And after that, I'm going to click on the plus button on the top right corner next to the 3 lines. And to that, there's a tab that says Create New. There are 5 options. There is feed post, story, story highlight, IGTV video, and guide. And I'm going to click on the IGTV video tab. And I want to upload this video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. Just going to pause that. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. And I'm going to press on the next button on the top right corner. And I'm going to select a cover image. For instance, I want this. You can just slide it. So I want this to be my cover, but you can add pictures from your gallery to be your cover. And after that, I'm going to press next on the top right corner, and the title, I'm just going to write Instagram tutorial. Instagram live filters, actually. The description is optional, but you can just hide this video. This is a tutorial on how to add filters on your Instagram live exclamation point. You can also add your IGTV video to your series. So I'm just going to add to series, and I'm going to click create your first series. Series name Instagram tutorials, and I'm just going to click the blue check mark button on the top right corner. Just going to click that, and I'm just going to go to done, and I'm going to want to post a preview on my feed, so the button is already on. And that is basically it. You can just now press the post to IGTV button right over here. And let's just wait for it to load. And it is currently loading, so just wait. And now my IGTV video has been posted, and I can just click on this watch IGTV video button or the keep watching button to keep watching the video. So let's just press on the keep watching button, and there is my IGTV video. You can also go back to your profile, and your IGTV will be over here. Or if you did not, press the the post preview button, and it won't show up on your feed. There are three options. There's your feed, IGTV, and your tag pictures. And you can just press on the middle one that shows the IGTV button. Just click on that, and there is your IGTV video. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.